flew my Mini 4 Pro here. It feels pretty good to be back here. It looks pretty good. And of course, we're right to the cave. It didn't take us very long to get to the cave. Once again, I'm not seeing a stitching line. It's in some radar, but just a beep, you know. Couple of bars though, the cave. About 15 feet off the rocks there. There's always bright sunshine here. If you watch Dad Random's channel, Random Tech. And it's usually a little flatter looking to me on my screen at home. But when you're here in person, and when you're in the goggles looking at it, you feel the elevation and the change in elevation a little more. So now we're up to 385, 390 feet above where we took off from. We'll go along the T-bone here. The sun's behind clouds. When I was waiting for the sun to come up, I saw the little gusts of wind would move the flags a little bit in front of the hotel, but not really windy. Not like last night. Last night it was quite overcast and windy. We went and saw Greece at the Toucan Amphitheater, which was pretty good. It was warm. I was sweating. I think you do a lot of sweating when you live in a warm place. Like today, it was way above 100 degrees. Right now, I believe we're under 80 degrees. And actually doesn't feel too bad to me. I'm turned sideways to the antennas to make sure they're up. I'm going to turn my head towards the T-bone a little bit. Yeah, signal's a little iffy, almost 5,600 feet away at this point. HD's down, RC's strong. $23 miles an hour. There was a person. Now we've obstructed the view. We're under the rise here. We're back in good signal. %30 on the battery. I saw a bird. Getting close to return to home here. See if I can make it to the tunnel entrance before return to home kicks in. Which I accomplished. 23% on the battery. Heading away from home.
Auto return about to start.
There we go.
Press C2 to cancel.
And like I said, with the Avata 360, if you let it go into auto return, the video with taping is over. With this, it's got its track to go back home. Not rising at all, just gonna go straight home. It's mapped out the whole area. You can turn and look at the tunnel. You can turn and look at the T-bone. Look up at the clouds. Look down at this ground. Can look anywhere I want to. 4 cars. I can't see my watch. I hold it out, but I'm too far away to see my watch. But there I am. What am I, about 50 feet up? Now, it should see the mat. Right now, it's not really lined up with the mat. Is it gonna land in the dirt next to the car? I bet it won't go that close to the car. Is it because it's a DJI mat that it won't land on it? Yeah, it's not safe. Look at that anti-gravity landing on the DJI mat.
Landing.
That's a big mat, so camera's protected. Hello. not recording, but screen recorder's still going.